Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of building the Ecto-1. This is the one where we fit the final window panels to this side of the car. We've got them there. They're going to go like that in there. First thing we're going to do though is fit the final decorative piece to our frame. So it's the right way round because it does some shaping to it. That way around looks better, I think. We'll get the backing off of here. Come on. You come. Go, and then that will fit in the little groove provided for that there. Nice. And then I need to bring in the entire frame, fit the windows to it, and then fit that down the outside with the screws. Let's see about doing that. Okay, I'm back to the problem of having to hold and film at the same time, so I won't be doing much of this on camera. But basically, the windows fit into the frame like that. As you would expect, a nice fit there. And then the outer frame will go over the top. Pretty much like that. So we've got 3 VM screws to put in on the outside, which I hope to be able to do now on camera. They just go along the bottom here. And with any luck, that will hold it in place enough for me to be able to turn it over and get the other ones done on the inside. There's 2 different types of screws to fit on the inside panel there. So let's see just how all of that works. That one in there. I'll get these tightened up as well while I'm playing around. So yeah, let me get this in there and then come back and see how it's all gone together. Yeah, I need to hold that differently to get that done anyway, so I'll see you in just a sec. So there we go, all attached, all screwed in place and looking quite good, even if I do say so myself. I've got some tape holding the doors shut now, but I think that's it for this bit of the body panel for now. I can put this aside for another month, although I've got next month's pack. We're not going to be using this for it. We're starting on the other door, the front door on the other side. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.